This is a wonderful time. Oops, the video is on. Sorry, I was reading this book. To learn English or to learn new vocabularies, there is no substitute of reading a book, but in the right way. Welcome to English Metaphor once again. Today, I'll show you how you can read book to learn new words or to learn English. So, let's get started. The first step is you have to read this book slowly but louder. That means the speed should be slow, but the sound should be louder, like this. This is a wonderful time to be alive. There have never been more possibilities and opportunities for you to achieve more of your goals than exist today. As perhaps never before in human history, you are actually drowning in options. In fact, there are so many good things you can do that your ability to decide among them may be the critical determinant of what you accomplish in life. The second step is you have to take a note of all the words you have found here you are unfamiliar with. That means the words you don't know the meaning. For example, here the word alive. Alive. So I don't know the meaning. Opportunities. Okay, opportunities. And then achieve. Achieve. Okay. Exist. Perhaps. For example, I have got this 5 words now. Okay, so in step 3, what you have to do, you have to find out the meanings of these words. Okay, the first one was alive. So what's the meaning of it? Alive. So you have to Google, you have to use the Google dictionary or the dictionary English to Bangla. Okay, you'll search alive and you will get the meaning. And what does it mean? জীবিত, তার মানে বেঁচে থাকা বা জীবিত থাকা, তাই না? So what you have to do, write down the meaning just next to the word, and if it's possible, also write a sentence with it, and you will also find a sentence in the same dictionary. Got it? Okay, now number 4. Number 4, what you have to do, you have to use these words in your regular conversations. Okay, so when you talk in English, you have to add all these unfamiliar words, and then these words will be very familiar to you because you are using it daily. And now the bonus step is, and that is actually effective for your speaking practice. So after you read a para from a book, you can actually talk about it on your own. You see, like I have read these 5 to 6 lines, the first para from the book. So what I understood from here, now I'll try to describe or illustrate. So the writer here was trying to say that today is the best day we can do something. We can use all the possibilities, all the opportunities we have in our hand, because maybe tomorrow there will be less opportunities. That means that today we are existing, today is the gift, and today is the best chance to do something, to accomplish our goals, to achieve our goals. That's the thing I have got from here. Okay, so this is just for practicing. So these were some steps you can follow to learn from a book. You can practice from the book, and you can also learn some new English words from the book. So follow this at home, and see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Allah Hafiz.